My target is to, not just to be a disabled guy racing against able-bodied people, but I want to be mixing it with these guys, mixing it at the front eventually. British Touring Cars is very close. It's the pinnacle of British motorsport. 50,000 fans per weekend, 30 drivers on the grid. They're all separated by 1 second. It's a new car, a new team, a lot to learn. But, I don't want to be doing anything else with my life, so I'm so proud to be sitting here, and now I've got this opportunity again. I want to grab it with both hands and do the best I can. To have, the likes of BigChange behind me and have actually increased their support year on year. They're a very valuable partner for me, and something that I feel like I can really resonate with in terms of the company and the brand and how they are. And so I'm really proud to be flying the flag for them. My journey hasn't been easy, but it's all about the partners that I have involved, and if I didn't have my partners, I wouldn't be able to follow my dream. With people like BigChange, I'm so proud to be representing them.